Soccer for Girls! Hello, everybody. So, Missy60 recommended we do a video on wearing Levi's or jeans and burping their brand. But, of course, our dirty jeans are in the wash. So, instead, she recommended we do a 5-minute burping video. Hallelujah! So, right now I actually have a burp in me. I didn't mean to do that. Okay, so we are just going to do random burps on command, like that, and yeah, so you want to start or so? Okay, so here we go. 1, 2. That was so weird. It's more like a donkey.
I know.
We're weirdos, by the way.
Yeah, we're just doing it because we don't want to do anything else and we don't want to have to keep on bugging all. So, don't think we're disgusting.
That
was so little.
I know. I don't know if we can do this for 5 minutes. Can we, we're gonna take a break. 1, 2, 3.
Yeah, we're gonna play volleyball.
Hello, she's drinking. Okay, ready? Break!
Somos los inmigrantes. Miss Worldwide, Flavio, Ariana, salute. Let's have some fun.
Okay, ready? You got to go like this.
Nací en Miami, mi sangre es de cubano americano, pero yo no soy fula. Hazme el favor, deja la bulla, tienes duda, pregunta a la rula. O pierde la fama, just give me the mula. Todos son guapos en el estudio, bulla. Yo soy el maestro, dale, estudia.
Which one you want? walked in on us, like,
I know.
because we're having a party at my house, and we were like, and we're like, oh my god. And then we're like, we're doing something, get out! Yeah, and they almost tried to take a balloon.
The balloon.
How dare they?
Okay, so thanks for watching our video. Shout out to Missy 60. I'm sorry if we didn't pronounce that right, but thank you for having us do this there. And ready? 1, 2, 3.
Bye!
No, you're supposed to burp.
I don't care, I said bye.
Peace.